To give your jewelry an antique look, you need a plastic container, hot water, a steel wool pad, a mask, paper towel, gloves, liver of sulphur, and your copper electroform object with a hanging wire. First, put your gloves and mask on. Take your liver of sulphur and pour 1 or 2 drops into your container. If you only have 1 or 2 pieces of jewelry to oxidize, 1 drop is enough. Add some hot water, just enough to submerge your item. Your water should be hot but not boiling. Take your copper electroform object and plunge it into the solution you just made. You can move your object around or let it sit in the container. After a few seconds, you can already see your item darkening. You can wait for your object to become dark brown or completely black. When my pendant becomes really black, I take it out and pat it dry with paper towel. Try to dry it as best you can. Once it's dry, you can see that it is still black. To bring the highlights out, you can use a steel wool pad or a Dremel. Start polishing your object. After a few seconds, you can already see the highlights on my bee. Keep polishing until you obtain the desired shine. Don't forget to do the back of your piece. This is the final result. You can leave it like that or seal it. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you on the next video.